Short and brief. On behalf of my family and I, we want to thank all of you for coming tonight to support us. That's my best buddy. You know, we were humbled yesterday. Somebody told us yesterday, they said, Mike, if you get 200 people to come to a kickoff party, you're going to do okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you we had over 400 yesterday. We are humbled. Last night we were humbled. Tonight we are humbled. And we know that you are supporting us. Oh, hey, Juju, glad you could join us. Randy's somewhere here too. But, come on. There you go. Now, anyway, you have supported my family, and you have supported me with your prayers, with words of encouragement, with phone calls on down days, and most importantly tonight, you're supporting us with your finances. And we really appreciate that. But you know, I had a bunch of other political things I was going to talk about, but I realized something as I was walking up here. This is a night of family and friends. It's not a night about talking about politics. Do you agree with that? So I'll tell you what we're going to do instead. I have an honored guest here with me that I would be remiss if I did not recognize. He has been one of my friends for a very long time. And I'm going to tell you this, gentleman, when I used to run the honor guard, he would come to me at functions and he would salute and he would ask me, "Sir, permission to fall in line." And my heart would melt. Because this man has sacrificed more than anyone else that I know, and I'm going to recognize him tonight because I want him to be noticed. Mr. O'Neill Bowway, would you come to the front? For those of you that don't know, Mr. O'Neill was a member of the 82nd. That had to be Wetzel. He's a member of the 82nd Airborne. And there's a black and white picture out there before the D-Day drop, where Mr. O'Neill is standing next to Eisenhower. Mike. Oh, there. He's that good-looking man standing right there. He was 19 years old. He says, now I'm 93, but I'm going to tell you what, when he gives me a hug, he hurts me more than my kids do. But I'm going to tell you.
He's my friend.
That's right. That's right.
Then his friend.
That's right. So at this time, too, I would like every military individual currently serving that has served, please either stand up or raise your hand so we can acknowledge you. Thank you for your service, and I'll mention one more hero, which was my brother-in-law, Lieutenant Colonel Joseph Lucia. That's right. And I know tonight if he was here, he would push y'all off the dance floor. But thank you for your service. Tonight is a night that we're going to just celebrate friends and family. I want you to have a good time. I want y'all to have fun while we're here. And I'm going to tell you again, as I said last night in the speech, I'm going to say it again. On October 24th, with your support, we will win this election. I'm going
say like Eisenhower said on that night that you see in that picture. He said, we all train and we won't accept nothing but victory. So that's what we're going to do here tonight.